Hello students, welcome you all to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. In this video we will discuss about the life cycle of Psilotum. Okay, Psilotum comes under Xylophyta, which are rootless pteridophyta, which are the most simplest type of pteridophyta, dichotomously branched structure with rhizome and with aerial erect branches and with spirally arranged scale like leaves and sporangia, which are called synangium, arranged on that stem or axis. So let's start. So at first the main plant body is sporophytic in nature, that means with diploid cells. It consists of green upright aerial branches that split into pair, dichotomous branching. This is called as dichotomous branching, and underground stem called rhizome. Okay, it uses tiny hair like rhizoids instead of roots to absorb water. So on that rhizome many rhizoids arise and which help to absorb water from the soil. Then spore production. For spores, when mature, the aerial stem produce small three-lobed structure called synangia, or individually called as synangium. A single synangium is a group of three fused spore sac like this, and these are arranged on the stem like this. Three-lobed structure, it's called synangium. Then meiosis. Inside the synangium, special cells called spore mother cells undergoes meiosis or reductional division to form haploid spores. Remember, pteridophytes, some pteridophytes are homosporous, some pteridophytes are heterosporous, but Psilotum is homosporous. That means it can produce only one type of spore. All spores look same and physiologically and morphologically same. Then the gametophytic phase. When synangium after maturation splits open, the spores are released into the wind or environment. If spore lands in good spot or in a suitable substratum, it slowly grows into gametophyte or the immature gametophyte called as prothallus. Okay. The gametophyte lives underground, is cylindrical, has no chlorophyll, non-photosynthetic in nature. It gets its food through a symbiotic relationship with underground fungi. Then sex organ. So after its growth, they produce male and female sex organ called antheridium and archegonium. Male sex organ or antheridium produce spiral sperm with many flagella, and female sex organ is flask shaped that holds a single egg cell. So it is the matured prothallus or gametophyte containing antheridium and archegonium. Okay. Matured archegonium and matured antheridium. Matured antheridium consists of a single layered cell wall with enclosed spermatozoids or spermatocytes, and this is more or less globular in structure without any stalk. And archegonium consists of 4 longitudinal rows of neck cells. Okay. The neck encloses neck canal with 2 neck canal cell or 2 neck canal nuclei. Then under it one or single ventral canal cell is present, and below it a single egg cell is present. So this is the structure of matured archegonium and antheridium. Then fertilization. Water is required for fertilization. The sperms or spermatozoids swim through the moisture of soil or through water to reach inside the archegonium, then slowly enter inside the archegonium through neck canal cell, ventral canal cell, and finally reach up to egg cell. Then it fuse with the egg cell, the spermatozoid fuse with the egg cell to form diploid zygote. This zygote divides repeatedly to form embryo by mitosis. The young sporophyte feeds on the gametophyte until it grows of its own underground rhizome system and sends off green shoots and starts the cycle all over again. That means when sporophyte is young, it is completely dependent on the gametophyte. Then after maturation they detach. So it is the diagrammatic representation of the life cycle of Psilotum. At first, the main plant body is sporophytic in nature with underground horizontally grown rhizome. Then some rhizoids are there on rhizome, hair-like structure. Then they bear many synangium, and inside each sporangial sac many spores are developed. The spores release into the environment, and finally after falling on a suitable substratum they form prothallus. Then they mature, and matured gametophyte form antheridium and archegonium. The antheridium release many multiflagellated spermatozoids or spermatocytes. By the help of the water or the moisture of the soil entered inside the archegonium. Okay, after entering into the archegonium they fuse with the egg cell to form zygote and form young sporophyte. Young sporophyte mature to form new Psilotum plant. Okay, so with this the life cycle of Psilotum is completed, and I am concluding my lecture video here. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.